So today we started Module 3, which is a focus on multiplication and division. This first lesson is about perimeter and area to get kids thinking about arrays and multiplying so many by so many to find out the total. So the first problem here, we're given two rectangles. One of them has the grid lines filled in, the other one does not. So first they need to come up with the amount of side, the length of each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So we have 8 on this side. That means we know we'll have 8 on this side. 5. So we have 5 and 5. So there's multiple different ways. We talked about 3 different formulas for solving for perimeter. So the first one is perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width. So they could do it that way. Another formula is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And the third is 2 times length plus width. This is the one I prefer to use. So if we do this, we have 8 plus 5 is 13 times 2, we get 26. So we'll get 26 units. If we do this, we'll have 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 2 times 8 is 16. 10 plus 16 is 26. Or length and width, 8 plus 5 is 13. Plus 8 is 21. Plus 5 is 26. So we'll get the same answer regardless. Those are the 3 choices. And then for area, the only one is length. Oops. Is length times width. So 8 times 5 is 40, and the proper label for that is square units. So some of them may do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on and so forth to count up their square units, but we want them to get in the practice of multiplying length times width. This one they can't do unless they continue to draw their grid lines, which hopefully by now they won't be doing. So if we count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so this is 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So area, we know that'll be 5 times 7 is 35 square units. And then the perimeter, you can use any formula you want. I think this one's the easiest. 7 plus 5 is 12 times 2, 24 units. Okay, they'll get the same answer if they do this. If they do 2 times 7 is 14, plus 2 times 5 is 10, 14 plus 10 is 24. They'll get the same thing. These problems down here, again, it's not in a grid line, so they don't see it visually. Our area, 3 times 7, 21 square centimeters. We haven't talked about that symbol yet. We'll get there. And then perimeter, 7 plus 3 is 10 times 2, 20 centimeters. Not going to do that one, same thing. This one, the perimeter, they're going to want to add up all 4 sides separately probably because it's a larger number. And then here, this is a review kind of Module 2, so they're going to want to change this into 210 centimeters because you can't, well you can, but I would just change it to centimeters, and then they'll get 210 centimeters, 45 centimeters, so they'll get 420 centimeters plus 90 centimeters, so that'll be 510 centimeters, or 5 meters, 10 centimeters. So either answer is acceptable. And then down here on the bottom is they're just going backwards. They're given an area, and they're trying to find an unknown side. So they're going backwards. They're taking 60 divided by 6, which is 10 centimeters. 25 divided by 5 is 5 centimeters. So right there, that's Module 3, Lesson 1, focusing on area and perimeter.